Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. Today in this video we are going to see different data types in SQL. SQL have lot of different data types to handle various kinds of columns in databases. So there are three main types of data types. First is string data type, second is numerical data type, and third is date and time data type. So we are going to see these all three data types in detail in this video. The first data type is a string data type. A string data type is a type of data type is used to represent a sequence of characters. A string data type is typically used to represent text such as words, sentence or paragraph. Strings can be defined using single quotes or double quotes. In SQL, there are two main types of string data type. First is char and second is varchar. Let's see about these data types in detail. A character data type is a fixed length string of a character. It can store a single character or a string of character of a specified length. Maximum length can be 8,000 characters. It is used to store a alphanumeric data such as name, address, etc. Syntax for declaring a data type character in column is inverted comma char in bracket n, where n is a maximum length of a string. Now let's see a varchar string data type. A varchar data type is having a variable length of characters. It is used to store alphanumerical data such as address, name, etc. Maximum length can be 8,000 characters and syntax for declaring the varchar in a column is inverted comma varchar and in bracket n, where n is a length of a string. Now let's see one example for a string data type. Here you can see there is a table where you can see there are 4 columns: student ID, name, stream and gender. In student ID you can see there is a alphanumeric character like P and 01. In name you have characters, in stream you have characters, and in gender you have characters. Now if you want to give a data type for each of this column, we can say that the student ID is having a character data type, where name column has a varchar data type. As we can see there are variable length John, Julie and Prakash, and the stream column is having a data type of character as it is a fixed length IT. Okay, and the gender having a data type of varchar because we are finding a variable length of characters here, male and female. Maximum length is here 6 character, FEMALE for female. So maximum length is 6. That's why we are giving a variable character here as a data type. So if you want to declare the data type, now here for the student ID we can write as char in bracket 3, where 3 is a maximum length of a character. So here P01 is 3 characters, here it is given. So we have declared as char in bracket 3. Whereas in gender you can see there is a variable length of characters. In male there are 4 characters and in female there are 6 characters. So we have declared the data type as varchar in bracket 6. Hope you understood how you can use the string data type and how we can declare it. Now next data type is a numerical data type. These data types are used to represent the numbers. In SQL, there are several numerical data types such as integer, float, double and decimal. Let's see one by one with example. First is integer. The syntax for this representing it is as age space int, where age is a column and int is a data type. Integer can be further represented as tiny int, big int, small int and range can be given as 0 to 255. It can be a positive or a negative number. Next data type is a float. In SQL, data type float, double, decimal are used to represent a floating point number with varying precision. Here are some of the examples how these data types can be used. Float example is salary space float, where salary is a column and float is a data type. The float data type represent a floating point number with single precision. It is typically used when a moderate level of precision is required, but not exact decimal representation. Next is double. Example for this is temp space double, where temp is a column and double is a data type. The double data type represent a floating point number with double precision. It provides a high level of precision compared to a float and is suitable for approximation that require a moderate accuracy. The last numerical data type is a decimal. It is represented as price space decimal in bracket 6,2. So decimal data type is used to store a fixed point decimal with exact precision. The two parameters here specified in the parenthesis represent the total number of digits, means total number of digits is 6, and number of decimal places required, means 2 is the number of decimal places required here. In this example, you can store up to a 6 digit with 2 decimal places, making it ideal for a financial calculations where the accuracy is crucial. Like here you can see the example for this price decimal in parenthesis 6,2 is 256369.36. Here 0.36 giving a 2 decimal and remaining are the 6 digit number. So this is the all numerical data types. The last data type is a date and time data type. A date time data type data store date and time values. There are 3 types of date and time data types. First is date, second is time, and third is date and time. Let's see one by one. First data type is a date. It stores the values in the format of year, month and date. Example for this is 2023 0615, where 2023 is a year, 06 is a month and 15 is a date. Next is time, and it is represented in the format of hours, minutes and seconds. For example, 10:10:20, where 10 is hours, 10 is minutes and 20 are seconds. And last is date time format, where it is represented as year, month, date, hours, minute and second. Example for this is 2023 0615 10:10:20, where year is 2023, month is 06 and date is 15 and 10 is hours, 10 month, minutes and 20 seconds. Finally, we will see the recap. In this video, we have seen the 3 data types, which are string, numerical and date and type. In string data type, we have seen the character and varchar. In numerical data type, we have seen integer, float, decimal and double. And third data type is a date data types, where we have seen there are 3 types: date, time and date time. Hope you understood the different data types which we are using in SQL. Thank you. See you in the next video.